All right, date night. Hi Vogue, this is Behati Prinsloo and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve my date night look. The look I love to do for date night is kind of simple, smoky eye. It just makes it sexy. Okay, so I'm gonna prep my skin with this glowy kind of primer, add my foundation to it. I mixed it together. It will blend in nicely. If you have a concealer that has a little stick on it like this, I actually like to put it on with the stick on my areas that I want to target. And you know what? I will actually put a little under my eye just to get nighttime vibe. Mixing it in with my fingers. Next step, I like to just do my cheeks and my bronzer, and I'll blend it with a little sponge. My look that I'm creating tonight is kind of a relaxed version of a smoky eye. It's gonna be messy at first, but you know what? It's gonna really come together. I like to use creams instead of powder because it's a lot easier to kind of control, especially if you want to do it quicker. Next, I'm gonna use a brown pencil, and I love going into the eye on the upper eyelid. Your eyelashes look even thicker. Here we go, wish me luck. So I'll go on the very inside. Kind of do this thing where I'll go and close my eye. It's like a trick because it's really tough to keep it open. So I'll almost close it and then just run it on the inside. Next, another pencil. It's just thicker. Kind of put it by the lash line. Go back and forth and also underneath the eye. I love a bronze and then I love the highlighter too. It's just fun. I'll do this. Shows my cheekbones. Kind of like a V shape. I'll even go from here to here kind of thing. Next, I'm gonna do my highlighter, which I love. It always gives a little va-va-voom. A little brush like that, really soft, dab it in. Gives it a little bit of glamour. I'll just comb my brows really quickly. Just go in a little. And honestly, you won't even see a difference, but I feel better about it. I like to use a little bit of blusher before I do my lip. Cheek. One of my favorite colors. Kind of nudie, sexy, kind of Kate Mossy pink. I like to start by lining the lip, not too thick. What do you call that area? Cupid's bow. And I'll kind of dab it so the lines kind of get blurred. And then the lipstick is kind of a similar color, maybe a little lighter. My next step is curling my lashes and mascara. Such an important step. It's really gonna pop. The eye's gonna open up. Mascara time. And then a trick I have is I'll re-curl my lashes after I put on all my mascara, so the curl comes back and it looks awesome. When you take it out really gently, move it away. Get the hair going. Ready for date night.